Good day, everybody. Today we are going to be building an x-ray machine. Okay, let's start with the basics. For an x-ray machine, first you're going to need, well, an x-ray head. You're then going to need something to physically see the x-rays with. Bam, phosphorus. You want something to turn on the x-ray head, solid state relays. Here's a PLC to turn on the solid states with the PLC. That's an HMI. The x-ray head, there's some wire, and then you're going to want to measure stuff. So here's a really official Geiger counter that I got. Bam! Solid state relays are done. Well, I forgot one of these cords was attached to our bench. Whoops. Let's just go ahead and put that back there. We don't need that right now. There it is. There we go. HMI is started up. Let's actually try and get everything in view here. It's going to be impossible. So I'm going to hit the X-raying button. I'm just going to flash the screen red. Gives me about 10 seconds to get out of the room before it warms up the filament and then turns the beam on. There's beam filament. There was the beam right there. So, all right, let's go over the PLC software here that I've programmed. This filament guy is a frowny face when it's not on. Beam is a frowny face when it's not on. Pretty simple stuff, right? Super simple ladder logic. I have one button, and that's C100, which is the button on my HMI. And then that just shuts everything down, all the relays, all of the power is then shut off and waiting for the next C100 button press. Pretty simple stuff. We've got our HMI that we press to start x-raying. It uses 24-volt logic to trigger the solid state relays, which are hooked to 110. And that, combined with my camera settings, is able to give me enough exposure to take one x-ray. Okay, I've got the exposure and all this fun stuff turned up to max. I'm going to turn on the x-ray machine and actually see if this works. And then right now we're going to just go ahead and take an x-ray of this drill. Oh my gosh, did I just x-ray my hand? Does this mean I'm going to get cancer now? Taking one for the YouTube team? Well, yeah, I did x-ray my hand. I gave myself about 3 x-rays, and I had my whole body in front of the machine the entire time. I estimated my dose from anywhere from 80 millisieverts to 80 microsieverts, which is an error with an order of magnitude of 3. On the high end of that spectrum, I've increased my chance for cancer by about 1%. Whereas while I've been idly rolling this cigarette, I'm preparing to increase my chance of cancer by about 2,000%. So, does that mean I received a safe dose of radiation? Well, technically, no. There's no such thing as a safe dose of radiation. Every time ionizing radiation hits your body, there's a small chance that it could cause one of your cells to grow cancerous, and your immune system can miss that. The fact of the matter is, though, we're exposed to radiation on a daily basis. And as I'm going to increase my risk of cancer by 2,000%, I'd like to thank you for watching my video. Tune in next week for even more cancerous shenanigans. Don't forget to send me stuff to X-ray